Hi, do you want to learn all the tricks? So you can prepare grilled tuna with just the right amount of oil and parsley to your liking, and it always turns out perfect? Let's start by preparing a little sauce to add flavor. You can do this days in advance and keep it in the fridge, no problem. You just have to chop plenty of garlic as finely as you can and put it in a mortar or somewhere you can crush or grind it. It's that simple. In my case, I'm going to use this little mortar to crush it a bit so the garlic releases all its juice and therefore all its flavor. Add as much parsley as you want. If you have it fresh, use fresh. If not, dried works too. And a good splash of oil, just a splash. Why? Well, because now I'm going to take advantage of this to mix everything together. I'm going to crush it even more. And then add oil to taste to create a kind of little sauce. This will work for today and for many more days. Because in the fridge or refrigerator covered, it lasts for weeks. On the other hand, we take a griddle, turn the heat to maximum, and add a splash of oil. While it heats up, we prepare the tuna. I'm going to eat these two fillets. We add salt, make sure it's coarse, and freshly ground black pepper. In this case, with freshly washed hands. And we turn it over because we'll do the same on both sides. It's also important for the fish to be at room temperature, not too cold. Remember, salt and pepper on both sides. Now we lower the heat of the pan to medium-high and place the fillets inside for 1.5 minutes. Remember, the oil should be very hot. Then we lower the temperature to medium-high and cook for 1.5 minutes. After that time, we flip it over and cook for the same amount of time on the other side. That way it stays juicy and just right. But hey, everyone has their own preferences. If you like it really rare, cook it for less time. And if you like it well done, you can cook it longer. But when the second 1.5 minutes is up, cover it with the sauce. Take advantage of the heat in the pan at that moment to spread it out really well. And that's it. You've got what you were looking for. An impressive tuna with garlic and parsley. So put it on your plate and get ready to enjoy, because you're going to love this recipe. Look, what an amazing dish. A healthy, nutritious, delicious meal with a strong and juicy flavor. Perfect for any occasion. Most importantly, in both people and food, it's what's inside that matters. Look inside and see the results. Soft, cooked, just the way I like it. Tender but complete, perfect. But this is a matter of taste. Some people like it super well done, and others like it really rare, just browned on the edges. Which one are you? How do you like your fish, and how do you like your meat? Well done, rare, medium? Tell me in the comments. That's how we explore flavors from around the world. Now tell me, where are you watching this video from?